I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into Fortnite and go straight to your device's power settings. You don't need extra apps. Open Settings Power and Sleep, Windows, or Console Power Options, PS/Xbox. Make sure a keyboard or controller is connected so you can wake the system. Once done, you'll change specific timeouts and wake permissions. This is the first actionable step, because Fortnite won't exit sleep if the OS forces low power. So change those system-level options before adjusting Fortnite itself. Now change 3 detailed settings. Set both screen and sleep to never or an extended time so Fortnite can stay active. This prevents the OS from cutting power mid-game. Next, enable Allow Wake Timers and permit USB or Bluetooth devices to wake the system. That lets your controller or keyboard resume the session. Finally, turn off Hybrid Sleep or Hibernate on PCs and pick a high-performance or similar power plan. This combination keeps the game responsive and avoids partial sleep states that break online matches. Finish by restarting the device and launching Fortnite to confirm the system no longer goes into sleep during play. If the problem persists, check the Epic Games launcher and Fortnite settings for any background or battery-saving limits and disable them. If that still fails, update graphics and controller drivers, disable overlays that may trigger power policies, or reset the power plan and reapply Never Sleep values. One key troubleshooting tip: if sleep keeps returning, look for third-party power management apps and disable them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.